Yabona bro,
Yeah.
class will always be permanent.
Okay.
Yabona, when it comes to class, Sundowns in a class.
Okay.
You like it or not, but when it comes to football, Sundowns will give you a class. Sundowns is a game that is very tactical.
Yes.
Sundowns is like with paperwork. Ayidlali ngathi idlala kwibhola lasebhukwini or any other thing.
Okay.
Ibhola edlalwa iSundowns bro, it's a world class. Now ibuyela kwindaba yokuthi i-experience from iMamelodi Sundowns ngeke uyithi.
Yes.
Yini ezoshaya iPirates kule nto ye-league ne-Sundowns yi-experience. Sundowns was able to make close to 4 changes from their previous game.
Yes.
And then now Sundowns still won that game. If ever you can take Orlando Pirates and say that make 4 changes or 5 changes, the whole structure will change. So Sundowns in a structure
Yes.
from a bench to a starting 11. Unlike other teams whereby you will discover that if ever Pirates 1 player or 2 players can be injured. For instance, I will take you how they play. Their ball starts from Siema. From Siema it goes to Makaula. From Makaula they look for Urile. And then Urile distribute between Apolis and Muremi. So their system is clear. Everyone can see it. That this is how they play.
So
when you take to Sundowns, Sundowns, the combination of Adams, no, Mukwena. Even if ever you remove Adams, they will still give you a game. They just use Adams to stabilize the game. The system here, I run it over. I could depend to certain players. Each and every player that gets a chance can still master the class.
So okay, it's Sundown ishia iPirates nge5 point manje. So iPirates in a chance ingathatha league.
Pirates still have chances to take the league. We can't dispute that. We don't. Let's stop benching and talk facts over football. We need to be honest. Sundowns, Pirates is still capable of winning the league. Sundowns will face Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs, when it comes to big team, ask yourself why we were able to play 0-0 draw with Sundowns on the first leg. And then when you look even in the stats, Sundowns are shying kakhulu kuma game wide. And then when you look at the games as Olandela for Mamelodi Sundowns, they are playing Isiwelele. Isiwelele, if ever you look on head to head, Sundowns only won 2 games against Isiwelele. The 3 failed to win them. And then when you look at Orlando Pirates, the Orlando Pirates is an Orbit College. The Orbit College is dead, is already going to NF team. That's a guaranteed 3 points for Orlando Pirates. But Imakes as well is also going to relegation. That's another guaranteed 3 points for Orlando Pirates. This Stellenbosch is under Uncle Hunt. Uncle Hunt, we know how good he is with tactics. Hunt can spoil the party for Orlando Pirates. So the hardest team with Orlando Pirates will be Kevin Hunt. It happens City badlala nayo home Orlando. Brawam ungitshela team eyi1 ephumile lapha eScotland. Ephumile lapha eScotland iphume ngedraw. Yeyona ezamile. So iSundowns iadvantage yayo ikuphi is that all their home games abazodlala ba home. Only 1 game abazodlala neTS Galaxy. You did see TS Galaxy how they played Nedbank Cup. It is dead. Nayo is struggling. So therefore iSundowns nayo inazo izinto ezithize.
So man of the match, man of the match.
iSundowns is pushing the agenda.
Yes.
Kalumfana Ayende.
Yes.
To be a midfielder of the season. They allow him to play. They allow him to play more minutes. So now, what is it actually happening? Maybe allow Allende to play more minutes. Allende is more on the ball, so that he can be more uthi as ama viewers to endlini to gaming. So we are engaged too much gaming. I can say that he is the man of the match because of he was the person obemningi ebholeni ukudlula wonke umuntu. So idlale under here.
China, ngicela man of the is score between Kaizer Chiefs and Sundown on Wednesday. Is score.
Yabona Kaizer Chiefs Brawam, one of the teams you can't write it off ku PSL. When you need it the most, iyaphakama.
Okay.
No matter Kaizer Chiefs ingafa kangakanani, but Kaizer Chiefs now when you look at the Kaizer Chiefs, idlale 8 games, only failed to lose. I mean, only lost 1 game, played 2 draws, won 5 wins. So only 1 lose. So you can tell that team is quite doing well. Now, Kaizer Chiefs, Maya idlala ne Mamelodi Sundowns ku first leg. Kaizer Chiefs was the Kaizer Chiefs ebegu number 1, number 2. So was on a form. The same Kaizer Chiefs now that it pick up ile to form izodlala ne Mamelodi Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs is capable of beating Mamelodi Sundowns. There's high possibility.
Hypothesis is